Welcome to Harriet Court. Harriet Court is a small, friendly, sheltered complex with 21 single-bedroom flats. 5 properties are for couples, 8 for single tenants, and 8 are adapted for wheelchair users. All the flats have emergency alarm systems and pull cord for your safety and peace of mind. We also have a team of staff available from Monday to Friday to support the tenants with whatever they need. The building has a secured entry system and elevator access to the upper floors. The lounge is used regularly for events and activities throughout the year, such as coffee and tea mornings, bingo, and exercise classes. Sheltered housing allows people to live independently with the added benefit of on-site support. Tenants can have peace of mind that there will always be a housing officer available should they need any help.
Well, the pros of living here is there's always somebody on hand if you're needing anything at all. Even at night, if you think there's something, you've got the emergency alarms that you can get in touch with somebody in Perth. There's no hassle here, and people get on with each other. It's a pleasant place to stay. It's always clean and tidy, and people will look after you if you need it.
Oh, the experience is brilliant. I really enjoy it. You know what I mean? It's their own house, they can do what they want. You know what I mean? It's simple as that.
Harriet Court has a communal laundry facility with washing machine and tumble dryers. We also have a large outdoor drying area, which tenants can use at any time. There is also a communal greenhouse available for the tenants. If you need any further information about sheltered housing or Harriet Court, you can check our website.